nice and lovely. Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can marinate up some lovely Jamaican spicy fried chicken. Spicy fried chicken. This is an amazing recipe. But basically, what I'm going to do first thing is to get it marinated, and I'm going to put it down to soak. So I'm going to show you how to marinate your favorite spicy fried chicken. Alright, first of all, white onion. Inside of the bowl, I'm already washing off my chicken with some lemon juice, which is really good. That's the key for washing chicken. That's white onion, spring onion. I got some more. Just put straight on it like this. Fresh garlic, fresh thyme. Just add the rest. And also teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of chicken season, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Teaspoon of everyday seasoning. Hot pepper sauce. That's what I'm gonna use on it. Roughly 2 teaspoons. Pinch of oil. Put on the gloves, marinate it like this. So basically you can use your kind of seasoning what you normally use to marinate your chicken on a Sunday evening or a Sunday daytime for your fried chicken. My one is a spicy fried chicken recipe. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to fry it in the next video. But the best thing I'm doing now is to marinate it, and I'm gonna put it down for it to soak for a nice good. Probably I might use it in the next 2 weeks time, you never know. So look forward for the spicy fried chicken. Then second thing is to get a bag like this one and put my chicken inside of it like this. All of those seasoning, garlic and everything down inside of it. Simple. Before you do anything, you can write what chicken, what date, and when you can use it. Next time I'll show you how to do that. Just like that, guys. That's one of the best way you can ever do your chicken. So this will be soaked, and you can use this next month, 2 weeks, wherever you want. I'm gonna put this in my freezer. Enjoy the recipe, leave your comments, and this is where we do our spicy fried chicken recipe. Enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.